Can't turn on your miter saw? You might need a new switch. The switch used in your miter saw is a simple toggle switch. It has two terminals to switch the saw's hot wires and a third terminal to activate the motor brake when the saw is turned off. After years of use, the switch can wear out. It may completely stop working, so you won't be able to turn on the saw at all. It might fail sporadically, working sometimes and not others. And sometimes the motor brake portion of the switch will go bad, making it so the brake doesn't kick on after a cut. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the carrying handle from the saw. It's held in place with two screws. Now I can remove the upper handle. Now remove the safety button. You'll want to make sure you don't lose the tension spring. And now I can remove the actuator. Now I can remove the switch. It's held to the lower handle with two screws. Now I'll remove the wires from the switch. You'll want to note the location of each wire for reassembly. Now I can install the new switch. The new switch comes with new screws. So first I'll remove them. Now I can reinstall the wires onto the switch. The white wire goes on top. The black wire on the bottom. And the gray wire goes on the opposite end of the switch. Now I can resecure the switch to the lower handle. And I'll make sure I have all the wires tucked out of the way. Now I can install our new upper handle. I align it with the lower handle, again making sure no wires are being pinched. Once it's in place, I'll secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the carrying handle.